This topic is finding a percentage of a whole number. And for this topic, it does encourage you to use a calculator if you have one available. The first problem says use a calculator to find 55% of 15. Do not round your answer. So I don't have a calculator. I'm going to show you how to multiply this out. Remember, 55% means 55 out of every 100, which is 0.55 as a decimal. 55% of 15 means 0.55 times 15. So we can take our 15 wholes and we can multiply it by 0.55. And then we can just multiply this out. 25, 570, 25. And add all this up. And we'll have 2 digits after the decimal point, so 8.25. We could also do this mentally by thinking about what is 10% of 15. Well, 10% of 15 is 15 divided by 10, so that would be 1.5. Well, if 10% is 1.5, 50% would be 1.5 times 5. It would be 5 times that. So we could multiply this times 5, which would be 7.5. Then we need also, because we're not wanting 50%, we're wanting 55%, we need to think of what is 5% of 15. 5% of 15 is going to be half of 10%. Well, if 10% was 1.5, 5% will be half that, 0.75. Then we just add our 50% and our 10%, and we get 8.25. This problem is 35% of 77. 35% is 0.35. We're going to multiply that by 77. That'll be 24, 35, 24. 2 digits after the decimal point, so our answer is going to be 26.95. One more example, 4% of 24. 4% is 0.04, so we're going to multiply that times 24. And we'll have 2 digits after the decimal point, so our answer will be 0.96.